Do you know what a boom brake is and how they work? At the Annapolis Boat Show, I spoke to the guys at DutchMar and they show us exactly how their brake works. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss why this one piece of equipment should be on every boat. Welcome back, everyone. The Annapolis Boat Show was an epic adventure, but it threw me off my schedule, and you might have noticed that I skipped last Friday's video. We visited with dozens of vendors, and I'm still a bit overwhelmed as I dig through a mountain of footage. If the boat show wasn't enough, the day after coming back, I started a series of new vessels classes with Mike out of Port Aransas. Then I completed an in-person captain's course, which left me just enough time to start the new job earlier this week. I'm thankful for all the amazing opportunities, but the last 6 weeks have been an absolute whirlwind and I'm in need of some downtime. Okay, enough about my schedule and back to the boom brake. After buying the Jeanneau, I noticed an interesting contraption hanging from the bottom of the boom. I saw it again on the survey report and it was labeled as a boom brake. Of course, I googled the name and was delighted to see that I have a commercial preventer, although I didn't truly understand how it worked, nor were there many videos about it. So you can guess my excitement when I saw the same make and model at the boat show. I shared my story with the DutchMar guys and they were more than happy to help me make this video.
So here we are showing our boom brake. It's a friction block with 3 fixed spinning kind of V-grooved metal parts. The middle one can be loosened for light wind to make it so that way it won't impede the boat at all.
So this is upwind right
now? Typically I'm putting this all the way down and I'm sailing for something that's kind of breezy and I'm off the wind, and once I get myself trimmed up for a broad reach, I tighten up that boom brake. This is a line you would run to your chain plate back to the cockpit to a winch, probably to install another cam cleat. That's what I recommend. This is great for a small boat, this kind of pulley system. Once you get this tight, it will more or less lock the boom in place until you put tremendous load on it, at which point you'd rather this give than something else. When you do a jibe, you can backwind the sail, do your jib sheets even before you do the main, and then ease off on this line until it starts to go. So imagine it's backwinded, I'm pulling on it. As I ease it off, eventually it'll start to go slowly. And if I ease it off more, of course, it'll get much easier. But you can control the speed of that boom across your deck. You never have to worry about a boom flying into someone's head, a boom flying into even your stays. With so many of these swept-back spreaders so close to where you want the sail to be trimmed, it's really important to make sure that you can control the travel of your boom, not just with the main sheet, but run it through the block. There's 3 fixed wheels. The tighter you get this line, the more friction you introduce. And the idea is that it's going to hold the sail when you're off the wind. When you want to let it come over, oftentimes I'll jibe the sail first, I'll backwind it, and then I'll ease off. So let's say we're jibing, I'm going to ease off until it starts to go, and it'll come over really slowly. You can feel that it really...
Sounds like a resistance.
Exactly. It's not designed to be a preventer that's going to be fixed. It's designed to eventually give. We have a show discount. We'd be happy to work with you on that. We have 3 different sizes. So they're rated up from, this one's 250 square feet of sail area, this is 500 square feet of sail area, this is 750 feet of square area. We make these in New Haven, Connecticut. We have, as well as the brake, we also have the sail flaking system, DutchMar sail flaking system. This is sold 15,000 units. We've been doing that forever. And we have a low friction track. We are making all of that there. The attachment point should be just aft of your vang, or you could also set it up. This is designed to be set up where this is in line with your vang. So your vang's going here, and then this is just using that same hardware attachment point. It's mostly for the jibing, keeping you safe, keeping your head safe. I think having the ability to control the sail is so important, and you guys don't want to run up to the bow in the middle of the night to rig a preventer. No.
Really don't.
No, so if we can have everything happen in the cockpit, that's kind of the whole philosophy with everything we do. We don't want you to have to worry about your cars getting stuck and you're running up to the mast and jangling it. That's why we have a good low friction track. The sail flaking system, we don't want you to have to be up there with the sail ties tying down the sail as you're flaking it down. We want to not get caught on anything. We want when you're out there for it to be as easy as possible to shorthand, single hand.
Yeah.
You can find it all at DutchMar.com.
DutchMar.com. We have it right here, and you'll see over here on his little kiosk, we got multiple different sizes on those brakes to fit a number of boats. So what is your recommendation? What's the maximum size boat you'd probably put this on?
That's to do with sail area. The largest one is rated up to 750 feet of sail area.
Okay.
So I would check with your sailmaker, see exactly what you're carrying.
Yeah,
get
jump
in
on.
contact with us. We'll make a recommendation on what the best size is for you. But we can accommodate almost any vessel that a typical cruiser has.
All right. Hey, man, thanks. I appreciate it. All right, wish you luck.
Thank you.
I thought I had lost the footage, so I went back the next day to re-record the video, but as you can see, I have all the files, so you get to see another DutchMar representative demonstrate the brake.
The brake is a friction device. It allows you to hold the boom really in any position that you want. Unlike a preventer, you don't have to go forward to change it, switch it over, anything like that. And you know, the best thing is if you're running at night and you have to do a jibe or something like that, you're not going forward to mess with it. You can do it all from the safety and comfort of the cockpit. So the brake has three shifts. Our brake has 3 shifts in it. The bottom one is adjustable. There's a light air adjustment here, so we can get rid of about half the friction for sailing in winds under 10 knots, so you don't have to push the boom around. Basic principle, simple enough. The brake, you swing it out to where you want to be, take up tension, and now the boom will be held there. You do need a tensioning device, either a block and tackle or a line stopper and a winch. You take up tension, now the boom's held here, it can't come flying across. When we want to do a jibe, we just ease off enough tension until the boom starts to move on its own. Typically you want to put it at or close to the aft lower chain plates on a typical, normally rigged boat. So the aft lower chain plates is the normal spot.
And any specific hardware that y'all recommend?
The turning points here do not need to have a block. You can absolutely use a ring. One of those lash gun rings is often a great way to do it. Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks, man. I appreciate it.
No
All right.
fun.
Take it easy.
Take care.
Not only is this an important safety item for your boat, I can also appreciate the simplicity of its design. Rigged with a mechanical advantage, it acts as a preventer so you and your crew don't have to be on the deck at night or in rough conditions, and it can also help you with a controlled jibe and minimize the impact on your rigging. If you're interested in any of the Dutchman products, you can find links to their website in the video description below. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching till the end and following my journey, one adventure at a time. If you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Your engagement really helps the algorithm show my videos to a broader audience. Alright, I'll see you next time.